We're going to have a look at the LCM, or the least common multiple, in this math lesson. Before we can get to the least common multiple, we first need to define what a multiple is. A multiple is when we get a multiple of a number when we multiply it by another number. So think of it in terms of the multiplication tables. For example, multiples of 2 will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. And if we think about it in terms of the multiplication table, we will see that 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, and 2 times 3 equals 6. So it's multiples of 2 because we timed it with 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next, we first need to define a common multiple. Common multiples is multiples of numbers that are equal. Something that is common, we have something in common. We have something of equal value. For example, if we need to find the common multiples of 2 and 4, we will see that the multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. And the multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. The common multiples is those numbers that are present in both that are equal. Those are the common multiples: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Now we can get to defining the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers. So if we then need to find the least common multiple of 3 and 15, for example, we first need to list the multiples of 3 and list the multiples of 15. Then we find all common multiples first, which will be 15 and 50, and so on. And finally, we need to find the least common multiple, the smallest common multiple between the two numbers. In this case, it would be 15. We then say the LCM of 3 and 15 will be 15, because 15 is the least common multiple. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and also check out any other math or music related tutorials.